how to invest in the stock market without crashing your account. Hi, my name is Marty Vaughn with Vaughn Investment Advisors. This year, many investors have lost money in the stock market. For example, if you look at 3 of the largest U.S. stocks, Apple lost $434 billion in value, Microsoft $390 billion, Google $323 billion. That's over $1.1 trillion in total combined value lost in 33 days. Now, you may have a broker or a financial advisor who says, don't worry, but don't look at your account and everything will be all right. Well, that's hard to do as you watch your hard-earned money plummet as the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ all drop over 30% each in just a few weeks. I'd like to suggest a different and a better way to invest in the stock market. During a time of major stock market declines, crashing your account values can be avoided. Let me show you how. First, let's take a moment to look back over the last 25 years of the stock market. Personally, I've invested through this time frame and wondered, was there a way to smooth out some of the volatility and eliminate most of those big investment dips, such as 9/11, or the Great Recession, and the Corona crisis? What would such a strategy look like? Well, let me show you the VIA approach. I've invested my own money in the stock market for over 25 years. During that time, I heard countless strategies from the experts about how to maximize gains. But none of those strategies provided account protection in the event of a crash. Fortunately, in the last 5 years, I've discovered the tools to invest in the stock market and provide account protection at the same time. With the VIA system, you don't need to leave your money in cash. I participated in a multi-year test of our system with both my money and several key clients' money. The results were great. In fact, the recent coronavirus pandemic was the perfect pressure test of our system. Here's what I'm talking about. Take a look at this graphic showing our performance against the S&P 500. You will see that in 2017, 2018, and even 2019, VIA's returns have been very similar to the S&P 500, but the comparisons to the S&P diverged dramatically in 2020. From the first day of the Corona crash through March 31st, 2020, our client account values held steady in the face of the crisis, whereas the S&P 500 plummeted at a historic rate. And if you look at the last 3.25 years in total, including the booms and the busts, VIA outperformed the S&P 500 75% to 22%. Well, how does our system work? It relies on smart investments plus protection. Our program uses an 80-20 long-short strategy. That means that 80% of our money is invested in the U.S. stock market with certain enhancements to increase growth. And 20% of our money is invested in the option market in certain products. We're going to get into the weeds a bit here, but stay with me. I'll keep it short. Look at this flow chart. You'll notice that we briefly outlined how we invest 80% of each account we manage for aggressive growth in the stock market by selecting a combination of large cap stocks, exchange traded funds, and call options. VIA invests the remaining 20% of each account into various option products to create account protection. A key element of the protection involves the purchase of S&P puts to protect accounts from market declines. It may sound complicated, but the results are clear. The VIA approach has been put through its paces by a once-in-a-generation stock market collapse, a 33% drop in just a couple weeks. The VIA approach provides peace of mind for our clients and the confidence to keep investing towards their financial goals. I'd like to take a moment to highlight one more thing, and that's VIA's relationship with Interactive Brokers. If you're not familiar with them, they are an award-winning firm, constantly rated as one of the top global brokerage houses. In fact, in the 2020 Barron's rankings of the top online brokerage firms, Interactive Brokers ranked tied for first with 5 out of 5 stars. With Interactive Brokers' size, stability, and expertise, they provide us with security for our clients' accounts, back office support, and real-time technology to share with our customers. We are proud to partner with them to provide VIA clients with the very best experience possible. Well, now you've had a glimpse of the VIA strategy live during a crash. We use smart, aggressive investments, built-in protection, and responsive technology to track it all. We found our approach to be very effective, and and our clients have loved having positive, real-time feedback on the stock market. And that's all for me. If you found this video helpful, feel free to pass on to others. And if you have any other questions, call us or email us to find out more about how to invest in the stock market without crashing your account.